Attempts at meeting the governor, at least 2 rounds of meetings that have taken place over the last 48 hours, and of course attempts to convince him, but TVK still of course does not have the numbers. The governor has told him to get in writing what really is his support and what the numbers are. Only after that will he be in a position to invite him to form the government. Meanwhile, the developments are happening in a very fast pace here in Tamil Nadu. On one hand, we have a set of meetings taking place of the CPI, of the CPM and the VCK. What will they do? Because they together have 6 MLAs, and those 3 smaller parties could end up being kingmakers today by the end of the day today. Will they go ahead and support Vijay? Indications coming in, but the final word not yet out. Meanwhile, AIADMK and DMK also of course coming together. Another moment, of course, the man of the moment though is Vijay, because he has left his residence in Chennai and a crucial meeting is expected to begin as far as Vijay is concerned. Let's quickly go across to my colleague Dharni, who's joining us for more on this. Dharni, very important meeting of Vijay that is underway. What is the strategy? What is the way forward? Because his top advisors are with him. Several of them have met these smaller parties in a bid to convince them. They've even offered cabinet berths. What more can we expect today? Dharni.
Well, at the moment, TVK Chief Vijay has left his Neelangarai residence, and he's on the way to his other residence in the city, which is in the Patinapakkam area. And in the Patinapakkam residence, Vijay is all set to hold key meetings with second-line leaders like Adu Arjuna, N. Anand, Busi Anand, etc. is what we are given to understand. And of course, Vijay is currently facing immense pressure because, despite the support from the Congress party, Vijay is still not able to hit the magic figure. So only with the support of VCK, CPI and CPIM, Vijay will be able to arrive at the magic figure, and he'll be able to stake claim to form the government with the governor. In fact, we're standing in front of the CPM office here in Chennai, which is located in the Tinagar area. And currently CPM's State Secretary Shanmugam, he's holding a high-level meeting with the party's office bearers and district secretaries. A similar meeting is happening in the CPI's office and VCK's office as well. So by the end of the day, these 3 parties, they will announce their decision as to whether they're going to support Mr. Vijay or not. But through highly placed sources, we are given to understand that these 3 parties are pretty much aligned with the idea of supporting Vijay, and they are most likely to extend support to Tamilaka Vetri Kalagam is what we're given to understand. So in case if this happens, Vijay will easily be able to touch the majority mark, and he'll be able to stake claim to form the government. But Vijay, is still he is feeling the pressure, he's feeling the heat, and he's been holding consecutive meetings with the second line leaders of the party, and these meetings are still underway. In fact, just a short while back, N. Anand, the party's general secretary, he met with Vijay at his Neelangarai residence, and from the Neelangarai residence now Vijay is moving to his other residence in the city, where a similar meeting is likely to take place. So there is a lot of huddle in the TVK camp at the moment, and at the end of this huddle, it remains to be seen whether with the support of the VCK and the left parties, whether TVK is able to stake claim or not.
All right, stay with us, Dharni, because we also have a protest of the Congress party happening, and they are protesting against the actions of Governor Rajendra Arlikar. They are saying that the governor's actions are not in keeping with the constitution, and Somit is joining us from that particular location as well. Somit, take us through what the Congress workers there are saying. Over to you.
Well, just now, Congress President Selvaperunthagai and also Girish has arrived here. So just now the protest, has begun, and a while ago. Mainly we have spoken to the Karyakartas as well, and even the top brass. They are stating that this is nothing but misuse of power by the BJP and the governor, and this is not appropriate in terms of not calling the single largest party to form the power. And at the same time, Karyakartas were also seen saying that immediately Vijay should be called and he should be allowed to form the government. So we can clearly see here leaders have arrived and they are staging a protest, and they are demanding that immediately governor should call Vijay. And at the same time, they are also saying that this is just nothing but pressure tactics on the Vijay and pressure tactics on the entire TVK along with Vijay, and at the same time immediately if the government doesn't call Vijay to form the government, then we will intensify the protest and we will be continuing this protest, is what Karyakartas have stated. So we'll also try to speak with a few Karyakartas here. What are your demands? Why are you here?
அபிலாஷைகளை தீர்த்து
What are your
கொடுக்கிற
demands?
எண்ணத்தோடு
Speak in Tamil.
இன்றைக்கு ஜனநாயக படுகொலையை செயல்கொண்டிருப்பதை
தமிழக வெற்றி கழக தலைவர் விஜய் அவர்களே கவர்னர் வந்து முதலமைச்சராக அழைக்க வேண்டும்.
நடத்தி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம்.
So demands are
கடந்த காலத்தில்
Vijay should be called from
1918
the government.
கர்நாடகா
விஜய் வந்து தமிழக மக்கள் வந்து விஜய்க்கு வந்து பெருவாரியான வாக்குகள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 108 சீட்டு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தமிழ்நாட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பெரிய மெஜாரிட்டியான பார்ட்டி வந்து டிவிக்கு தான் வந்திருக்கு. ஏன்னா கவர்னர் வந்து அவரை கூப்பிட்டு பெரும்பான்மையை நிரூபிக்க கொடுக்கணும். அவர் கூப்பிட மாட்டார், அதான் எங்களுக்கு வருத்தம். அவரை கூட மாட்டேறது நான் பண்ணுறது காங்கிரஸ் கட்சி சார்பாக. இப்போ விடுதலை சிறுத்தை தலைவர் திருமாவளவன், கம்யூனிஸ்ட் பார்ட்டி இவங்கெல்லாம் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா விஜய் வந்து அழைக்கணும், ஆட்சி அமைக்க அழைக்கணும்னு சொல்றாங்க. பட் அதை வந்து
basically even left parties are saying that are demanding that they want TVK to form the government, and almost all the Karyakartas here they are saying single they are on the single stand, and that is immediately Vijay should be called and they should be allowed to form the government. And we can clearly see here Congress top brass on the stage with the letters in their hands and the posters in their hands, mainly demanding that governor should immediately call the Vijay to form the and allow him to form the government. And at the same time they are also saying, the Karyakartas are also saying that, the followers are also saying that even the left parties are ready and they are holding the meetings, and especially when it comes to forming the government, they are also inclined towards the TVK party forming the government here in Chennai. So here in Tamil Nadu, you can clearly see a massive protest by the Congress, and they are going to intensify if the governor doesn't change his attitude. And there are also other Karyakartas here. Let us ask them, what are your demands?
தமிழர்களுக்கு எதிராக
What are your demands?
தமிழ் மக்களுடைய உடை, தமிழ் மக்களுடைய உணவு இவற்றையெல்லாம் ஏளனம் செய்கிற மனப்பான்மை உள்ளவர் என்பதை நான் அறிவேன்.
முதலமைச்சர் பதவியில் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க.
பார்வையாளராக நான் இருந்த காலத்தில்
Governor should call him.
கவர்னர் பிரச்சனை பிரச்சனை பண்றாரு கவர்னர்.
இன்றைக்கு நம்முடைய ஆளுநராக இருப்பவர் அன்றைக்கு சபாநாயகராக பாரதிய ஜனதா அரசுடைய சபாநாயகர் இருந்தார்கள். அப்பொழுது அந்த அரசு
ஹலோ ஹலோ
அந்த அரசின் மீது
ஹலோ
பல்வேறு குற்றச்சாட்டுகள் காரணமாக அன்றைக்கு சட்டமன்றத்தில் காங்கிரஸ் கட்சி சார்பாக எழுப்பப்பட வேண்டும் என்று அன்றைக்கு
விஜய் வந்தாரு, அவருக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும். வந்துட்டாரு, அவரும் ஏதாவது
So
நல்ல
that's the latest coming in. In fact, the Congress protesting there on ground in Chennai as well against the governor, and they are of course questioning the actions of the governor. Let's quickly take this across, in fact, to my colleagues inside the studio. I believe you have the numbers with you. Over to you. All right, so that's the latest picture coming in. You can look at what's happening, in fact, outside the Lok Bhavan. Huge security, amidst the security, massive, in fact, presence over here. At least two protests of the TVK that we've seen take place through the course of the day today. And at the moment, of course, waiting and watching. That's clearly the mood here at the Lok Bhavan. And they're, of course, looking at what really is transpiring over here. What are the numbers really saying? How are they going to stack up? How are they going to add up is a big question, because while both sides, on the one hand, you have the TVK and the Congress, which is trying to cobble together their alliance. On the other hand, you also have leaders of the AIDMK and the DMK who are also talking, who are also trying to bring together numbers. The kingmakers ultimately are likely to be the three smaller parties, the CPI, the CPM and the BCK, and their 6 seats are going to be decisive in determining who gets the mandate here in Tamil Nadu, who forms the government here in Tamil Nadu. So, all right.